So this particular model that our Ford rep demoed for us is an all-wheel drive XLT. You can get it in the 2.0 EcoBoost in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, or the hybrid in front-wheel drive. It can tow up to 4,000 pounds with the all-wheel drive EcoBoost and up to 2,000 with the hybrid. It has a max payload of 1,500 pounds, and every Maverick comes with a standard crew cab and Ford Co-Pilot 360. Let's check out some of the pricing points next. As you can see, it is slightly more compact and closer to the ground than the Ranger. The Maverick sits about 14.5 inches off the ground, the Ranger sits about 18.5 inches off the ground. This is the Navy Pier medium slate interior with orange accents available on the XLT. Note the increased door pocket storage. It also boasts a standard rear seat storage for stowing all your stuff. We can see more of the orange accents here in the front, as well as the 8-inch Bluetooth touchscreen and the rotary dial shifter, both standard on every Maverick. Here we can see the new 4.5-foot flex bed, which gives you some versatility when organizing your payload. Each XLT Maverick has at least one cubbyhole for storage, while Lariats have two. All Mavericks have the multi-position tailgate. Here you can also see the 120-volt AC power outlet available on the XLT and Lariat luxury packages, as well as the slits in the bed that allow you to create layers and dividers for your payload. You can choose from multiple packages and options to customize your Maverick to your specifications. Give us a call or click on the Reserve Your Maverick tab at our website. Thanks for watching.